Need to generate more leads? Want to make more sales? Want to improve your marketing? Or simply grow your reach? Whatever the case may be, GetResponse has the tools to help your business get there. Mason wants to generate more leads. From right inside his account, he can use essential lead generation tools like Facebook ads and conversion funnels to attract people to his online business. Charlie, on the other hand, wants to get more sales. He chose GetResponse to launch a landing page featuring his special offer in a few easy clicks, using the drag and drop feature. Take Anne. She wants to boost her marketing efforts, so she's starting to automate and personalize communication with her subscribers through simple, automated messages. Chelsea here, she's a language teacher who has started offering her classes online. With paid webinars, Chelsea can charge for online sessions and even reach a wider audience in a few easy clicks. What do they all have in common? They are growing their online businesses successfully using GetResponse online marketing platform. You can do it too by starting your 30-day free trial now.